If you want to quickly remove backgrounds or isolate objects in Pixlr, the Magic Wand tool is one of the easiest tools to learn. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Magic Wand in Pixlr E step by step so you can make clean selections in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Pixlr E and load the image you want to edit. Once your image is open, look over to the right-hand Layers panel. If your base layer has a small padlock icon on it, that means the layer is locked. Just double-click the layer to unlock it. This is an important step because unlocking the layer allows you to make transparent cutouts and edit the image properly. Now that the layer is unlocked, it's time to activate the Magic Wand tool. You can do this in two ways. The fastest method is to press W on your keyboard. You can also find the Wand Select icon on the left toolbar. It looks like a magic wand, and once you click it, the tool becomes active. Before you click on your image, take a look at the top bar settings. This part is really important because it controls how the wand behaves. The first setting is Tolerance. Tolerance determines how much color variation Pixlr will include in the selection. If you set it lower, around 20, the tool will only select very close color matches. If you increase it toward 50, Pixlr will select a wider range of similar shades. If your background is simple and solid, a lower tolerance usually works well. If the background has shadows or uneven color, a slightly higher tolerance can help. The next setting is Contiguous. This decides whether Pixlr selects only touching areas or every matching color across the whole image. If Contiguous is turned on, the wand will only grab colors that are connected to the area you click. This is perfect when you want to select one part of a background without affecting similar colors elsewhere. If Contiguous is turned off, Pixlr will select that exact same color everywhere in the image at once. That can be useful if the background color appears in multiple places and you want all of it selected together. Once your settings are ready, click on the background or the color area you want to select. You'll see the famous blinking marching ants appear around the selected area. That means Pixlr has successfully created a selection. If the selection looks good, you can move on to the next step in your editing workflow, like deleting the background, changing the color, or adding an effect. If you need to select more areas that weren't included the first time, just hold Shift and click on the additional sections. This lets you build your selection piece by piece without starting over. If you accidentally select too much or want to begin again, simply press Ctrl and D to clear the selection and remove the blinking outline. And that's the basic process for using the Magic Wand in Pixlr E. Open your image, unlock the layer, activate the wand, adjust tolerance and Contiguous, then click to make your selection. Once you understand these few settings, the Magic Wand becomes a super fast way to isolate objects and clean up your edits. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Pixlr tips, photo editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.